Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to talk about the fact that kerosene oils treat good men like toilet paper. Right, now don't worry yourself, I'm going to explain exactly what I'm talking about. Right, but before I go into that, people remember, today is election day. So the JUP will be going up against the major parties, the PNP and the JLP. So that means by tomorrow morning, the latest, I expect to hear that the JUP has won no less, and I mean no less, than 14 seats. Right? Remember people, the only party that can offer you is snake oil. Now, let's move into this video. When we say good man, obviously I'm not talking about somebody's heart. I'm talking about men who have certain traits that you would assume would be appealing to the kerosene oil. Now, to make my point, I'm going to use a character from the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. I'm assuming everybody remember or knows about the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. You would remember there was a character called Carlton. Now, Carlton is the stereotypical good guy I'm going to use for this video. Now, understand this. When the kerosene is young, her late teens, right through her 20s, especially the early part, she's at her physical peak, right? Man did not stop run her down, 87s not stop run her down, and she have fair pick. She can get who she want in the gang. Remember, the kerosene only want criminals. She can pick whether she want JJ Nakis, she can pick whether she want bigger crime, she can pick whether she want dopey film. It's all up to her. And at this stage in her life, everything upon her body is firm. The two things upon her chest, stiff like the Blue Mountain. 87s love her. She love the 87s. See, when she go through that stage, everybody will even look upon her too tough. If you even screw up her face, if you even say something she not like, she brag and tell us that her man at 87 and let me come wet you up. And if you test her, she'll go call him for real. And remember, most 87s suffer from the coronavirus. So they may come and them not ask no question. They might wet you up for them kerosene. You see, the kerosene give away our youth to the 87. This is the point where she's motivated purely by fun, excitement, and danger. But here's the thing. This is not stability. Because as we know with 87s, them usually end up down a horizon or down a dove cut very quickly. So she a link bigger crime, and sure, she get a 2-3 years of hype of being bigger crime woman, right? Or being JJ Nakis woman. She get the hype, she get the strength to come with that. But guess what? Police wet him up. 87s wet him up, or him get 140 years down a GP. So check this out now. Her youth is slowly starting to fade away. All of a sudden, she's now on the verge of being replaced by younger kerosenes because they also have a conveyor belt. So now the hyper she have, it has start to fade out. Plus, the money what she used to collect from her man, from her 87, who used to get the extortion money from Spanish Town and then give it to her, or he used to get this scamming money from Moby and give it to her, that money they fade away. She don't have any skill, she doesn't have any talent, she doesn't have any job, no career, right? No prospects. Things are getting desperate. Things are getting desperate. And then to make things worse, she has 8 children. 6 for bigger crime and 2 for Nevada Hodges. What is a kerosene to do? Desperate times call for desperate measures. Guess who she's now looking for? Carlton. The Carlton that would never stand a chance when she was 21 years old. The Carlton who she used to laugh off at and say corny, he's a nerd. Guess what? That Carlton grew up to become the vice president of Lasco. Still the same man, still the same personality, still the same traits, but now he's well established. Carlton is making the big bucks. So the kerosene start to fall back on Carlton, because remember, even though things might not be as stiff as one time, as me say, back in the day, the thing them on her chest, it's stiff like the Blue Mountain. Now them kinda wiggle like Fern Gully, but she's still hot enough to catch Carlton eye. Because Carlton, back in the day, this was the type of woman who him want. Him did want the hot girl, but he couldn't get her. So, now she have 8 pitney. She have the charm, she know all the styling. She managed to get Carlton. All it take was one wine, because you see Carlton used to some woman where them only know one style or 2 style. But the Kerosene know every style in the book. The Kerosene can even make up a style on the spot. Carlton has never seen this before. Carlton make up his mind. Not only am I going to take in the Kerosene, but I'm going to take in our 8 youth them. So now they're living together. Remember, Carlton a good youth. Carlton is doing everything he should. He's providing. He's providing not only for her, but bigger crime and Hadji's youth too. But here's the thing. The 6 youth she have for crime, and a be a boy pitney, Hey, Kerosene's killed boy pitney. The 6 youth she have with crime, the whole of them look like bigger crime. And the 2 she have for Hadji's, the 2 of them look like Hadji's. Every morning she wake up, all she has see is bigger crime and Hadji's. And when she look on Carlton, she get upset. Carlton I wonder how him do her. He not do her nothing. It's just that the youth them she have keep reminding her of the men she truly wants. So now everything Carlton do is a problem. If him sneeze is a problem. But Carlton is a man who in the B2 man thing. She decided to say, you know what? Even though at first she relaxed herself and she pretend like she was going to cooperate and make Carlton be the leader of the house, she can't help herself. Because Carlton's style of manor yard is different from bigger crime. You see, when it was crime, if she opened her mouth and talked too loud, then crime put him hands on her. Crime threw her over the railing. Hadji's used peacock stick and I broke her foot. That is what the Kerosene is used to. She get abused so much, she gets so much beaten in her life that it becomes normal to her. It becomes accepted. She tells herself, this is how a man should say him love me. Why treat him like this? So now she realized that she had test Carlton. She had get faced to Carlton. And really what she's doing is trying to get Carlton to react the way how Hadji's used to treat her, the way how bigger crime used to treat her. But Carlton a good youth. Carlton a beat woman. Carlton day night. You see, back in the day, when Hadji say, because this is how Hadji talk to her. Hey girl, my breakfast ready? And she said, who you call girl? Hadji said, what you mean me be a beaten? So she tried the same thing with Carlton. But you're Carlton now. Darling, is the breakfast ready? She said, don't the boy think me I work for you? Carlton, being a good youth, said, oh no darling, I would never say anything like that, darling. No, I would never disrespect you. You're a queen. You're the apple of my eye. I would never disrespect you like that. The Kerosene get mad when she hear that. It's better than narrate me. What kind of fool man this? What can I eat that man? She get mad. Remember, Carlton is doing the right thing. He's not putting hands on her. He's not telling her she should go suck out this and jump over that. He's showing her respect, but she's not used to respect. We're talking about the Kerosene. So now she finds herself try push Carlton more and more. You know what she's trying to do? She's trying to get Carlton to be more like the man them what she used to. She's trying to get Carlton to be more like Crime and Hadji's. And if you make things worse, the whole of the youth them, the 8 boy them, have them father genetics. So the 6 of she have for crime, bad like sore foot. I said, my baddest boy penny them I can ever find. And the two sheriff had this Lord of mercy. And them remind Carlton every day, say, you are not my father. And if my father there, I'm have gun butt in your face. The boy them hear about them father. Somebody tell him on the block, say, yo, your father was my father had this another man, wicked man. So now the boy them know that. And them a tell Carlton every day, but Carlton a good youth. Don't worry, man, I'm gonna tell you why Mr. Tidy Paper. Just go and listen. So now she realized she can't say nothing to make Carlton put him on spanner. She can't say nothing to make Carlton react no way what she used to. So guess what she start do? Now she start beat Carlton. Even though he loves her, he respects her, he provides for her and the 8 pitney them, one of him, right? Carlton step up to the plate, decide him go own up to the responsibility. Him do everything by the textbook. But the kerosene is acidic. Too much peace, too much stability gets her upset. She needs the chaos. She start lash out, and the more she lash out is the more Carlton show her love. Because you see, Carlton, in his mind, he's thinking, well, if I just turn up the respect and turn up the love and turn up the care, she'll respond to it. You know, realize say he might get her 10 times madder. You know, realize say it's like you provoke a bull. See, Carlton thought he could save her. Carlton realized that she was suffering from Stockholm Syndrome. Right? But what Carlton don't realize is, to kerosene oils, good men are toilet paper. Now I'm going to tell you what I mean by that. What you do with toilet paper, clean up waste. Wipe up this and wipe up that. That's all she sees, that's all the kerosene see a good man has. The cleanup guy. Clean up the 87's mess. You see, the 87, he inflicted all the mental and physical abuse on her. Him give her the 6 youth and then dead left the whole of them and not even one sweetie him left behind. Him did make all this money on the taxi stand. Him did collect much money off of extortion. He make millions off of scamming. And by the time he did, nobody can find a single asset to say hand down to the children them. And even though the kerosene strike gold, because remember, Carlton is a very successful man, right? Carlton could go and go get him own woman and we not have none of the problems with the kerosene come with, right? She really get lucky, and she should be grateful, and she should cherish Carlton. She should treat Carlton like he's some ancient Egyptian pharaoh. But instead, she treat him like toilet paper. Toilet paper, what you do with it? You blow your nose at night. You use it wipe your behind, right? To clean up waste. That's all them say the good man has. Even though he move her off of the block and carry her gone a cherry garden, every chance she get, she sneak out and go back, go link 187, give him peace, and then go back up a cherry garden. Every time Carlton gone on a business trip or foreign, she take the man Benz, gone a mobile and pick up Preke Boy, and to show you how she faced it, she make Preke Boy drive on the way back. Preke Boy round the man's steering wheel, spliff in her mouth, M16 on back seat, and all this a happen under Carlton nose. And Carlton family tell him say, what are you doing with that woman? Carlton family cuss him and him family even fall out. Because remember, as me say, the kerosene have style where Carlton never see it. Carlton tell him family say, listen, you people are a bunch of snobs. You think you're better than her. But guess what, mom? Guess what, dad? I love her and her hate pitney them. A matter of fact, they're our kids. I don't care if bigger crime is the father. I don't care if Hodges is the father. Them dead and gone. I am their father now. And you must accept me, otherwise I'm never coming back around here. So Carlton talked to him family. He's willing to throw it all away for the kerosene. Carlton a good youth. Carlton said, listen, everybody deserves a 9th chance. But then disaster strikes. See, Carlton have a meeting in an office, and as he was coming out of the bank, him see a car will look just like Femon. And him touch him bridging, him business partner, and him say, look, somebody have a car just like my own. Cause you know, Carlton Benz have a unique colour. But when Carlton look close, him see the kerosene a drive. And when he look, he see one foot on him dashboard. No the one Preke boy. Preke boy have him foot on the man dashboard, not the man Benz. Carlton have to look good. Carlton run up to the car and look close. Carlton look at Kerry, the kerosene. And Carlton say, how could you do this to me? The kerosene look on Carlton and say, so we are going to do about it. Carlton look on Preke boy and she say, Preke boy look like him about 300 dopey on him. When Carlton look at Preke boy game, Carlton say, you know what honey? Have a safe trip and enjoy the rest of your day. And you fine gentleman in the front, have a great day as well, sir. And Carlton left. Carlton left with his heart broken. But you would think that the kerosene upset because she get catch. No, she mad. She hate Carlton, you know why? Because what she wanted was for Carlton and Preke boy war and kill off each other. Because kerosenes are not happy until one man end up down a Dovecat and the next one end up down a GP. Or as me say, one of my subscribers them write with the in the comment section say one have to go in a workhouse and the next one have to go down at the dead house. So that she can then go in another man's house. But guess what? The good guy Carlton, the respect women Carlton, the always try to see the best in our people Carlton, always try to look out for people Carlton, especially females because that's important to teach him, say must, you know, make sure say him look after him woman. That Carlton is now a dog. That Carlton has lost his faith in any kind of relationship, losing faith in a trust woman no more. Next thing you know, Carlton start behave like a taxi man. One on move. Him no want no more wife, him no want no more stability. And now every woman who meet Carlton from that day forward, I get them heart broken. And the woman must say, why is this brother here so cold? Why him treat woman like, why him don't settle down? Why him just a dirty dog? Why am I be like a jankro? Why him stay so? They don't know. A kerosene. But listen to this right now. Jamaica is full of Carltons. A matter of fact, look more in my DM on Instagram. Whole heap of Carlton I go link me. Whole heap of Carlton I got to listen. The story might not be exactly the same. We are going to see how much Carlton they bought the place. Full of Carltons. Listen, big up my brethren on Instagram, a reason we are reason. And him say, he made a speech surrounding, you know, men trying to save kerosene. Then I got inspired for this video. Right, as me say, big up yourself, bro. Patreon squad, they don't know. Thanks for the support as always. PIA, more life. Blessed.